Today we'll walk through how teams set up and accelerate integrations across EHRs, clearinghouses, and wearable devices using ConnectHealth, all from one platform. ConnectHealth is a compliance-first, low-code interoperability platform that connects Epic, Cerner, Athena, and other EHRs in days instead of months. AWS Marketplace subscription and launch. ConnectHealth is available via the AWS Marketplace. After subscribing, the platform is launched directly into your AWS account. For this demo, we'll use ECS, the supported deployment method. Select the latest available version. CloudFormation deployment. ConnectHealth is deployed using CloudFormation templates. You can paste the template URL or upload it manually. We'll use the Quick Start template. Enter a stack name. For sandbox environments, keep defaults. For production, resource sizing can be guided based on expected traffic. Select an SSL certificate and create the stack. Deployment completes in about 20 minutes. Service URL, DNS, and setup. Once deployment finishes, CloudFormation outputs the service URL and backend endpoint. You can use the ConnectHealth portal URL or configure a custom domain using the selected SSL certificate. This supports enterprise security and branding requirements. Ownership and compliance. ConnectHealth runs entirely inside your AWS account. You own the data and the IP. We have no backend access. Everything operates under your existing AWS, HIPAA, BAA. Now your dashboard is ready. Log in with your credentials. It shows active connections, workflows, and licenses. ConnectHealth supports this across Epic, Cerner, Athena, and other EHRs. Each connection represents a live provider integration. EHR connection types. ConnectHealth supports 3 connection models. Standalone launch for external web or mobile apps. Smart on FHIR. Embed for apps launched inside the EHR. Backend-to-backend integration for system-level automation. This allows teams to support multiple workflows without rebuilding per customer. Bulk plus real-time integration. A common pattern is a one-time bulk export for historical data. This is followed by real-time triggers such as ADT or appointment updates. Workflow library. Now let's look at workflows. Teams deploy production use cases such as referrals, RPM and flow sheets, billing, prior auth, eligibility, SOAP note creation, bulk export and onboarding. Each workflow is built using pre-built smart nodes, which handle FHIR and HL7 parsing, acknowledgements, validation, and error handling. Normalization across EHRs is built in. Deep HL7 or FHIR expertise is not required. Simple example. Reading EHR data. Drag a Read FHIR node. Select the EHR instance. Choose a resource like appointments or conditions. Deploy the workflow. Structured EHR data is exposed as clean JSON or FHIR. Why this works. Acknowledgements are automatic. Debugging and observability are built in. Workflows are exposed as standard REST APIs. Existing backend systems don't need major changes beyond HL7 and FHIR. ConnectHealth also supports FTP and SFTP file integrations. VPN-based HL7, CDS hooks, and SOAP or REST APIs are supported. Cross-cloud integrations are supported. AI-enabled workflows are being added using HIPAA compliance services. The result is faster go-live, lower engineering effort, and predictable scalability. ConnectHealth delivers compliance-first, production-grade interoperability. That's how teams move from fragmented integrations to a single, scalable interoperability layer. With ConnectHealth, integrations run entirely inside your AWS account, follow compliance guardrails by default, and scale across EHRs, clearinghouses, and devices without rebuild.